Hi guys, welcome back to another day here at the Chateau. I'm currently in the potager, in the walled garden, and we are going to prepare irrigation. And we have 10 boxes there, and then we have another 10 there, that is 20, the 4 smaller ones. So we have to run irrigation separate in all those boxes with valves, so we can determine the quantity of the water we want to go into each box. Also, if we don't have anything, we can switch them off. And we're going to run water also into the greenhouse, so we can get that watered as well. So it will all be fully automated, and we're going to run water down to the chicken coop as well, so we have water access there as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And here we have Baccarat. Huh? Baccarat? You see? You see that? Say hi to everyone. Da, 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 da. Huh? He loves it here in the walled garden. It's his favorite place, you know? First I'm going to mark out where we're laying the pipe. We'll started from the little garden house. Let's see, that one there. We're going to run down here into the boxes. So I'm going to be marking out first with a bit of spray paint, so I can get that done properly. Well, it's warm, isn't it? We have 29 degrees today in the shade.
We're going downstairs.
To the dungeons!
Okay, what are we gonna do, Johan? Downstairs.
Yeah. I'm thinking we can eat down here when it's hot, because it's cool down here.
I'm not gonna sit eat out here until it's been renovated. Okay, here is the is part of the section of the basement or the lower ground.
Yeah, that's
that
heated.
has been that is heated and it's been done properly for the water, everything.
Yeah. Yeah, damp proofed
Watertight.
on the outside.
Yeah, damp proof. Ceiling have been fixed, and this part of the ceiling is very good, except the kitchen. The ceiling needs fixed. This one doesn't.
Yeah, no, different.
Okay.
And now we're going into the room where
We kept everything, junk, or Christmas thing. Okay, turn on the light now. Here we go. This little room, not little, it's quite big.
yeah, above us is the main
It's the main
hallway.
entrance hallway. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, and this is exactly the same size as
The hallway, upstairs.
upstairs.
Yes. Let's see, 5 point between these 5.9.
It doesn't have to be exact. It's fine.
5.9
Oh my God, it's 6 meters almost.
and the width is 4.1.
Okay, and there's no door here. Okay, 4.1.
Yeah.
That is
Square meters.
almost 25 square meter. Oh
Yeah.
my God. Yeah. So what we are planning to do is we need another service entrance that we can use daily, and it has to be in the same site with the entrance that we have now.
Yes.
So what we're going to do is we're gonna go check if we can do that or not.
Behind this door, I put this so we don't have any bats that come in. So in here, we have,
And this light is linked with that.
yes.
Yes.
So above us,
Hold on. I'm coming.
yeah, above us
No bad, right?
is
I'm scared.
the landing, and then we have the main door. And these are the stairs that go left and right. The stairs that Joel have been fixing.
Okay.
And behind here, so the idea would be to dig from the outside, make new stairs coming in, so you would come in here, this way instead.
Oh my God, Johan, I just saw.
We see.
You see this? This thing here is a huge stone.
Yeah.
If we're gonna knock that over and make a stair, it means that we have to reinforce.
But you make
whole thing?
you have the this is the shape of the door, for example,
Right.
the curve, right? And then you maybe need to reinforce. That is-
Of course, you have to
Yeah.
put pillars here.
Yeah,
You need to put pillars here
yeah, because
and two pillars here to support it
Yeah,
before you even cut this open.
yes, and we have width in here 1.7, and the height is 2.4.
2.4.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a good height.
Yeah, and they used to have this before for some to get things down into the basement, because this is a padlock, so this is hinges, so you can open this up.
Oh yeah, I just noticed
Yeah.
that. Yep. But where's the padlock? You know the key?
No, these just cut the padlock and we put the new one if needed. But I checked the key box upstairs, there's no key for this, it doesn't mention anything. But it could be that they don't know, some keys that don't have any names, so it could be that it's for that.
Okay, but
And
now
this-
another problem we have. So if we want to use this as a main entrance, here we go, guys. The whole the to go in this room is so small, isn't it? Johan, what's the size?
Oh.
Oh, look, they have been brick it up.
Yes, 1.94.
No, it's too low. What we need to change the beam here, which is big work. We need to change the beam this all the way through, I think. And then put another support beams on the side,
Yeah.
whatever size that we expected,
Yeah.
we want. It's big work.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it has to be done. Because if you want a good chateau,
Yeah.
we have to get it done. I think they should be done exactly the same here, right?
Yeah, this should be the same. The opening we have here should be the same
Exactly
again.
identical,
Yeah.
same, yeah. And also same shape, everything.
I think the dog hears. That's why I wondering, what's the noise?
Okay.
I'll put this back. And then I found this here. This is, I think it's part of the, if it's to do with the chimney
the
for
chimney.
ventilation from one of the chimneys. You see it up?
Yes, it is.
And I don't know if it's connected to the winter salon or this, because this is in the hallway.
So what are you thinking?
No, I'm thinking if there's any other place where if they'll open up for air into the winter salon, because we found air to the summer salon and the grand salon, you know, where they can help the fire to go quick out. No.
No, I don't remember I see anything.
No. I'll show you where the one is for the summer salon. It's this way.
The noise it comes from the fridge. We have the industrial walk-in fridge and freezer out here.
It is here.
Oh.
That's for the summer salon.
It's the air for the summer salon.
Yeah. And for the grand salon is outside.
It means that we can use it again, but is that enough air though?
No, that we need to check. We can check and I think they have to be cleaned also.
Yes, of course they have
But
to
they've
be
been used for.
Is this side a block it? It looks like it's been blocked. Something white, is
No,
it?
but it goes that direction.
Oh, okay. Oh, this have to leave it open your hand.
Yeah, but if you feel inside, it's cool.
Oh my God, it's working.
No, but it's not working. It's the fan.
This is for the vegetable. This one,
yes,
you said.
Yes.
That the one that need less humid.
Yeah, because when that is on,
We have the fridge here.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is an all time, which is less cold.
yes, for vegetables.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh wow, it's cold. We
yeah.
got the cat here, no? They love it.
Yeah.
Mari Nobi.
And it's turn off the light. In this room.
Johan is going to take some water from the pond today because it's very dry this year. So not much rain. It just rained yesterday. The temperature dropped from 36 to 26 today, like 10 degrees. So we're going to pick up some water and then we're going to save some fishes. And the sun today not burning hot like normally. As you can see that the grass is very crispy, grilling. And we are not allowed to water the grass. Doesn't matter, but it's still green. I mean, consider to our neighbors, they're all brown. And I want to show you something. Because of the dryness, we discovered something exciting. Look here. This is used to be a path through the grass. And it's some building, we think it's some pavilion or something that used to be here. So we're thinking we're gonna put it back, just like this. But it will be round or oval or some other shape.
Yeah,
it's
here.
big one, yes. Johan, you stand there.
Let's see how it is. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 meters
Nobi.
by.
Nobi. 1, 2, about 3 times 4.
Yeah, 3 by 4 meters.
And there's some pathway leading here. You
Yeah.
can see.
And it's a pathway from there, you can see that, all the way to here. It's right in the middle of the,
Yeah, it's right in the middle.
yeah, we were thinking about putting a stair, like a balcony, not a balcony, it's a patio. Similar to we have in the front and the back, on the side here as well, to make it symmetrical when we remove this stair. That's what we're gonna do, and put a balcony back on every floor, every window on top there.
I just noticed. It's pointing north, south, west, east, exactly.
It could be a small orangery. But we
Yes,
look at the old.
The sun is like this,
Yeah.
and it will set.
Yeah, it's sun all day here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Look at Mari Nobi. They enjoy the grass. Okay, Mari, we're gonna go save
The fish.
the fish. Here, this is what we're gonna do. It will be built of limestone, and we'll match exactly how the architecture of that period is, and we're gonna have another the door here. Underneath here will be another to get into the chateau right here. That's what we're gonna do. It's gonna be nice, and this bush here gonna be gone. And we're gonna build like this so people want to get married, they can use the balcony, and also this patio it can be music, can play music and things. And we've been doing a lot of things. Fixing, Johan hasn't finished fixing the fountain yet. And this is what I've been doing. I've been painting these. We bought these online. It's condition very bad. It's just bare metal. And this set is very cute. But this also in near to Dijon. It's old work because it's really well. It's really beautiful. It's just left to make cushion now. And this is the chair to match those tables. The table it looks exactly like this. It's 2 armchairs and 4 chairs. It's still using. They're not welding it. You see here. It has a proper like cramp system, like an old bed, French bed. So this is an antique one. This old one. So I'm quite happy I found these. Condition is good except this one. The armchair here, it need to be sent to the. I need to get it changed, which is Johan doesn't have time doing it yet. There. So now we're gonna go save the fish. Wait for me! And the cable that you see on the left here, on the pathway here, is nothing dangerous. It looks a bit dangerous, but because our previous owner has using this cable to connecting all the light around the chateau. And we don't like it because when we cut the bushes, they're in the way. So we're gonna remove those. You found them?
It's 2.
2 fishes.
Yeah. They went underneath this already. 2 of them. As I did first.
Oh no, but they still safe. There's still water. It's fine.
Yeah, no, but they because it's not long.
Yeah, because not a lot of water left, as you can see here. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna try to move the fish to the pond to save them because they will die otherwise. How big is the fish?
There's one this size and then one this size.
Where is it?
No, it goes in further again. And it can only go so far, then the water is no more water.
And I'm worried not going to be any more water, so we need to take the fish out now.
Hey, Bobeche.
We had to go to the food section.
And we have to film inside the chapel, so stop it.
Yeah.
If you don't have battery left, wait for it there.
We go to the chapel first and Johan.
Yeah.
It's better.
Yeah.